I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where it starts. Tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't know.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to take you through my day. As you saw in the earlier shots, I was cooking. And yeah, I mean, I'm dressed up like this because this is how you have to, it's the dress code for my internship. And yeah, this week I finished my internship, so I'm really excited for that. And then I actually might get a job at the gym, so I'm also really excited for that. But yeah, today I will take you through my daily routine and hope you guys enjoy it. Hey, what's up guys? So I'm walking to my job right now. I parked a couple blocks away. I park pretty far just because it's only $1 parking, and when you get to like the center of downtown, it's like freaking $17 parking for days. Guys, I feel like I'm sweating so much. It's 100 degrees out in Denver today, so I'm like burning balls out here. Alright guys, so I'm just cooking my dinner, I guess. I really don't eat after I work out, and I work out pretty late, so yeah, I'm just gonna cook some pasta. Probably cook pesto pasta, and then yeah, just some bread on the side, and yeah, we'll probably call it a day. A couple protein shakes and call it a day for food. Alright guys, so I'm heading over to the gym now. We're gonna hit back and biceps and some calf exercises. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Hopefully it's a really good workout.
Used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure. I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I die. You will always be by my
So guys, just did this death machine. Am I recording? Yeah. It's death machine, 25 minutes. Did it with that young Liz B. What do you mean? It's right there. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a really good workout, so I'm happy about that. Please like and subscribe, share it to people, and I hope you all are having a good summer. And again, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good summer, guys.